Hey, this is Matt with My Florida Homebuyers, and today I'm going to take you through this inherited house that we just purchased in Orlando. All right, so like I said, this was an inherited house. This house is here local in Orlando, but the people who inherited it were out on the West Coast, I think Colorado, California, out that way. And whoever their relative was here actually passed away. They inherited the house. It was filled with stuff. Needed some work, needed some updating. You can see we're in the process of pulling out the carpet and painting, things like that. We just finished cleaning out all of the personal belongings, donating that stuff, sending it to the dump wherever it needed to go. And they basically didn't have to come here to deal with any of it. They stayed remote out in Colorado, California. They came by, picked up the stuff that was sentimental to them, and then they sold the house as is to us. And we're gonna go ahead and get it renovated and resold. So I'm gonna take you through the house and show you around so you can see kind of what's going on here. All right, so this is the living room area just inside the front door. Pretty basic color scheme, all white, so we're gonna get that painted up pretty nice. We're gonna keep the tile, I think, probably just replace the carpet. It was pretty stained up. All of the cabinets and countertops are in pretty good shape, so we're probably going to keep those. And then, just get everything cleaned up. We'll keep the appliances that were there. This refrigerator was filled with food. And as you can imagine, it stunk pretty bad from the power being off for however long it was off. So we just took the whole thing to the dump. This here looks like it was once a porch that was eventually enclosed, and now it's under heat and air. And then you can see we're doing some yard work. And then in the backyard, well, there's not much of a backyard, but there's a block wall, and then that over there is a shopping center with a Publix. So let's go over here. This would be the master bedroom, I believe. We've got a walk-in closet and a bathroom here with a shower. And like I said, everything's in good shape. The goal on this one is just to get everything kind of cleaned up, freshened up, new paint, new carpet, fix what doesn't work, and get it resold to somebody who's going to be able to live here. These are the guest bedrooms over here. That is a Murphy bed. You probably know what these are, but it's basically a bed that flips down out of the wall. So it's kind of cool. We'll probably leave that here for the new owner. One of the weird things about this house is the windows in the bedroom, they face the window on the other side. So they don't face the neighbors. The neighbors is over there. So these windows kind of face these little cutouts in the house, and they're all like this, and I assume it's so that you don't look out your window, or your neighbor doesn't look out his window and see right inside your window. But it's kind of interesting. I've never seen that before. So we got another full bath here. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Toilet's kind of nasty in there, it needs to be cleaned up. And then just another guest bedroom here. With a walk-in closet, and you can see it's the same situation here with these windows. They just kind of face these cutouts on the house, and then there's your neighbor over there. And his house on the other side actually has the same cutouts. So the whole block is like that, I think. And then we'll go out here. We've got a 2-car garage. They left the washer and dryer, so we'll leave that for the new owners. And we've got some tools and stuff out here where we're working, but some built-in closets there. Just your typical Florida garage. And that's about it. Pretty basic house. Doesn't need a whole lot of work, but it did need some repairs and updating. And we're gonna get it cleaned up, get it fixed up, and get it resold to somebody who can live here as soon as we can. All right, so that's about it for this house. As you can see, there's not a whole lot going on here, just some basic paint, carpet, and fixing some fixtures and things that were broken. If you have a house that you inherited in the Orlando area or in Central Florida, we'd love to make you a cash offer on it. Whether it's like this house where it doesn't need a whole lot, or whether it needs a full renovation, we'll buy pretty much anything. Can be really convenient if you're out of state, like these folks were out on the West Coast. They basically just came, took what they wanted, and then left all the rest of the stuff, and we actually cleaned out all of the personal property from the house. And now we're the ones that have to take care of making all the updates and renovations to get it ready for sale. So if that's something that you might be interested in, instead of listing it with a realtor or making repairs or, you know, dealing with all the hassles, give us a call. Go on our website, myfloridahomebuyers.com. We'll take a look at it. We'll see if it's something that we can help you out with. And if it is, we'll be able to buy it as is. We'll pay you cash, and we can typically close in a week or two, depending on if you've gone through probate yet. If you've already gone through probate, great, we can close quickly. If not, we can actually put you in contact with the right people to get the probate process done. And probate's basically the process where you get permission from the court to sell the house that you inherited. So not a big deal either way. We can get it taken care of for you. Just go on our website, myfloridahomebuyers.com. We will put you in contact with the right people and get it started for you. And if it's something that we can help you out with, we'll actually purchase it from you and pay you cash for it. So again, my name is Matt. I'm with My Florida Homebuyers. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you on the next video.